Hello everyone, welcome to ATC, a teaching capsule. Today we are going to discuss is a theory put forward by Sigmund Freud, and that is psychosexual development. This theory is very important because this theory explains how the personality of a child develops. So at the end of this video, we will be doing some mock questions also to check whether you understand this theory or not. So according to Sigmund Freud, he says that the personality development will be fixed and it will be done in a sequential stage. And the first 5 years of a child is very important in development of the personality. So the first 5 years is very important in development of personality of a child. And he also says that a libidinal energy will be there, and this libidinal energy will be focusing on certain parts of this body. So the libidinal energy will be focuses certain parts of the body, and this part he called them as erogenous zone, and this erogenous zone will be having this libidinal energy. So when a child develops, this erogenous zone will be shift from one part of the body to the another. So let's look what are the different stages put forward by Freud. So according to Freud, there will be 5 stages, and they are oral, anal, phallic, latency and genital stage. So we will be discussing in detail about all these stages. So the first stage is oral stage. In oral stage, we can say that the first years of one's life is oral stage, that is 0 to 1 year. Here the erogenous zone will be mouth. So the child will be having pleasure in doing activity associated with mouth. You can see the child will be having pleasure in sucking his fingers, and when teeth arises, he will be having pleasure in biting. So whatever things he get, he will be putting into the mouth. So that's the first stage, oral stage. The second one is anal stage, and the anal stage begins in second year of one's life. So we can say that 2 to 3 years. In anal stage, the erogenous zone is anus. So the erogenous zone is anus in anal stage. Here the child will be having pleasure in retention and expulsion of fecuses. So toilet training should be given at this stage. Toilet training should be given at this stage. So this is the second stage put forward by Sigmund Freud, anal stage. Here the erogenous zone is anus. The third stage is phallic stage, and phallic stage begins from the 3rd year, and this will be continuing throughout the 5th year of one's life. So we can say 3 to up to 6 year. In phallic stage, the child will be having pleasure in fondling the genital organs, that is playing with the genital organs. The child will be aware of the sexuality, and he will be developing sensual feelings towards parents of opposite sex. That is, Oedipus complex and Electra complex will develop. Oedipus complex means the male child will be having desire towards his mother. Okay, so Oedipus complex means male child will be having sexual desire towards mother. While in Electra complex, the female child will having sexual desire towards father. So in phallic stage, Oedipus complex and Electra complex will be developing. So the next one is the fourth one, that is the latency stage, and this latency stage will begin from 6th year and this will remain until puberty. So we can say that 6 to up to 12 year. So latency stage will be starting from 6th year and this will be remains until puberty. So in this stage, the child will be less concerned about his body, and here we can say that erogenous zone is hived off. So the child will be less concerned about his body. So he engage in play with the same sexual peers. The fifth stage, that is the last stage, that is genital stage. And this stage will begin from adolescence and this goes up to adulthood. So we can say that adolescence to adulthood, that is the genital stage. We can also say that in this stage the pubertal and adolescent changes will be happen in the body of the person. So there will be sexual and chemical changes in the body. There develops heterosexual interest. So the person will be having pleasure in mature sexual relationship with the partners of the opposite sex. So these are the 5 stages. So the 5 stages are oral stage, anal stage, phallic stage, latency stage and genital stage. And an important thing that Freud has said is about fixation. Fixation means arresting the development of any stage. That means the arresting of oral stage or any other stage can be arrested. So if this arrestment of any stage happens, there will be problem in adjustment. So the child cannot go to the next stage. He will be fixed in that certain stage. So any deviant behavior in adulthood or in any stages will be because of the experience or training that the person have received during the oral, anal, phallic stage of his development. So we can say that the first 5 years is very important because that will be forming the foundation of personality. So this is what Freud has said. So that's all about psychosexual development. So we will be discussing some mock questions. The first question is, psychosexual development was put forward by. So in this question it have asked that who proposed psychosexual development? Erikson, Freud, Piaget, Vygotsky. Yeah, we know that the correct answer is Freud. So option B is correct. The second question is, according to Sigmund Freud, Oedipus complex is formed in which stage? So we know that what is Oedipus complex. Oedipus complex means male child attraction towards mother. This is what Oedipus complex is. So according to Sigmund Freud, Oedipus complex will be formed in option A, latency stage or genital stage, anal stage or phallic stage. We know that the correct answer is option D, that is phallic stage. In phallic stage, both Oedipus complex and Electra complex will be developing. So that's all for today, and this is what Sigmund Freud's psychosexual development. In upcoming videos we will be discussing more about other theories. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.